non-cooperative with all the members.
BJP State President Ernest Mawrie on Wednesday said that the Manipur conflict will not have an impact on the party's chances of winning the forthcoming Lok Sabha polls. He said the party has taken precautionary steps to bring peace back to violence-hit Manipur, adding that several meetings were held with people from different communities by the central leaders, including Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Mawrie maintained that the statement from representatives in Manipur is positive and that the party will retain the current seat.
After meeting and the representative from Manipur also they are present there, they are very clear that this is the conflicts, yes, we know. But it will not, there is no impact like, it will not affect the election. That is a statement given from the people from Manipur. They are aware, they know better than us.
The state BJP on Wednesday stated that the